Hello everyone, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video we are talking about Google AdSense 2 new updates. This is very important updates for your ad revenue. If you missed this video, you must miss your big revenue for your AdSense account. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. Let's go to the AdSense account, and as you can see here on the top of side they have a notification. Click on it, and in the front of that you have to see try related search of auto ads on your content pages, and the preview notification is here. Click on preview notification, and here you can see you have a new label to try out. Visit the labs tip to the find out. Okay, for activate this option, go to the optimize. Click on optimize here and go to the labels. Third option is label. Click on the labels, and in this option you have to see the two options available here. The first one is turn on AdSense shopping links, and as you can see already I opened this means if we turn on this option, then Google AdSense automatically put the shopping ads in our content, and if anyone click on that, then they go to the shopping website. And the second one is turn on relative search for auto ads. So I explain you what is this means. For example, anyone type any keywords in this browser. For example, as you can see there have a many keywords, and if we turn on this option, then automatically that keywords link to our AdSense account, and they automatically showing the ads same to this content. So this is very important. For example, anyone using any keywords, so all the time Google AdSense show the same keywords ads to our website anytime he visit our website. So both is very important for your revenue. Make sure you turn on both option, and after that you have to see your revenue is automatically increase. I hope you enjoy this video and you like this. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming updates. Thanks for watching.